Hey guys, so I was just here trying to film a different video, but I realized I need to let my doors close with the air, even though I'll be back here tomorrow. This is more of a security thing, even though there's nothing in here to take, but I thought I'd do a cold start. It is probably in the 40s or 50s right now. It's a little bit cool. Bus has sat for a few days, so she sounds a little different whenever she's cold, and I kind of like it, but turn on the ambers. Let's turn on the headlights and the hazards, because why not? Let's get this hood open. Kind of surprised it didn't go into high idle. Maybe it's not quite cold enough, but let's see. I guess we'll have to do this. There we go, reds are on. Didn't think about the cross arm whenever I'm out. Oh, there it goes. I didn't even do that. Nice. Now I know how Noah feels. There it goes. Almost sounded like it was going to die out there. But stop sign lights are not showing up on camera, but